Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have OneRepublic, Uno Republicano. This song is called Nobody. So we're gonna look at this one. And it goes in the same way through the entire song. We have the easiest chords with the encapsulate here on 3rd fret. And I felt that I could practice this a little bit more, but I'm gonna teach you how to do it and we go along together. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the G, and we're gonna play and use just the bass strings of the standard G chord. So it goes 3rd on E string, 2nd on A, and then I keep everything down below there open string. So open D, open G, open B, and open E. Because we want to highlight the open B string, and that's the reason for it. Now the second chord here will be the A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have B minor. That's a bar chord, so you play the bar on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here in the bass, just the strings below. And then you do that, of course, on the 2nd fret. And you add then 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And then we have the final chord, it's the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. All right, so this is a little bit challenging when it comes to the strumming and so. What you can say generally for this one is that you would imagine that your hand goes without any stops, just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like this through the entire song, okay? But then you don't want to play like that through the entire song because you want to highlight certain downs and ups. So that is just like a vision for you to keep in your head and to like have the right timing that will help, okay? So it starts with the G, then it goes to A and B minor, and then D, A, and G. That's what it's all about. This goes like that through the entire song. So you're gonna start with the G. So here you're gonna play down, up, down, okay? But it continues kind of chewing or quietly with an up, down as well. So it's actually down, up, down, okay? So, goes like that. You don't have to play it. You're just aware of that you're gonna hold the G till that point and then switch chords, okay? So down, up, down, that is what we're aiming for. And then you switch to A. And since you played on the G on up, down, quietly, you're gonna start now on A, up. Because down was the last you played on G. Now you're gonna start on up with A. So up, down, up. You're gonna play for A. So G, down, up, down. Then you wait and play A, up, down, up. Okay, that's the right timing. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Hope you understand that. And then immediately you change to next chord, B minor. There are no quiet ups and downs on A. You just immediately go to B minor next. And you're gonna play down, up, down to begin with. Then you have quiet up and down because you have a pause there. It's there for just the timing. So down, up, down is quiet, and then you go up, up, play it. And that's the first half of the song. So slowly it goes like this. Down, up, 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 down, up. And what is actually played is, without me speaking, like this. Alright, that's the first half. Then the second half will follow the exact same pattern when it comes to the strumming. So we have just different chords. Now instead you start with D instead of G. You're gonna play down, up, down, and two, and then quiet up, down. So up, down, quietly, and then you go to A and play up, down, up in the same way as the previous A. And now you go to G and play down, up, down to begin with, then quiet, up, down, and then you play the final up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's the end of it. So the second half was D, like this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So I'm gonna take you through one full round now without speaking. You listen to it and go and try to get it with the timing. Let's go. That is one round. So and that is how I handle OneRepublic's Nobody. Hope you understood this. Some technical stuff there just for you to have the right timing with the chords. So yeah, happy to help, guys. And if you appreciate it, feel free to give me a like on this tutorial and subscribe. Why not? So see you soon. Play tuned.